Lesson 5, hands-on math. The first equation says 5x's minus, this is the first time we're dealing with subtraction, 5x's minus 3x's. So I can just take 3 of them away right from the beginning. Plus the number 2 equals x plus 5. But I want to show you again how I did that as part of the setup. The equation states 5x's minus 3x's, so I'm taking them away, plus 2 equals x plus 5. Now we look at this as part of a normal equation that we already know how to do. We want to simplify it using the tools and the strategies that we've already learned. So what is the first thing, Truman, that I can do to each side of this equation?
First thing you can do is you can take one x from both sides.
Absolutely. Take one x away from each side, still a balanced equation. Leaves us with a pretty simplified equation here. X plus 2 equals 5. Benny, what number plus 2 equals 5?
3.
You got it, kiddo. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so x equals 3. Let's do some other examples. The next example I have is 2x plus x minus x, I did that as part of the setup, plus 1 equals x plus 9. I want to show that to you again. Exactly how I did that as part of the setup. I had 2 x's plus x minus x plus 1 equals x plus 9. What can I do to start simplifying this equation? Vanessa.
You can take one pawn away.
I can take one blue pawn away from each side. As long as I'm doing the same thing to both sides, it is considered a balanced equation. The next thing I can look at is are there any other pawns that I can take away from both sides? No. Is there anything I can do to make this easier with the cubes? What can I do, Vanessa?
Take a 1 away from 9 and make it an 8.
You got it. Well, first I'm going to take the 1 away from this side of the equation. So I took 1 away from there. If I take 1 away from this side, I have to take 1 away from this side. That makes this 9 and 8. So x equals 8. It's right there. No more simplification. It's as simple as it gets.
Yeah.
X equals 8. One more example is the number 4 plus 3x's minus 2x's plus another x equals x plus 5. So, Tyler, what's the first thing I can do here to simplify this equation?
Take two blue pawns away.
Absolutely,
Actually,
one from each side. So, I just took my blue pawns away, one from each side. Now I'm left with x plus 4 equals 5. What else can I take away from each side, Lynn?
4.
You got it. So if I take 4 away from this side, I have to take 4 away from this side. What does this become, Benny?
A 1.
It becomes a 1. What does x equal, Chris?
1.
X equals 1. There you go. Simple as that. Nice job.